In this video I'm gonna show you how the auto group system work actually, and it's too much easy to use, like just auto group command and the registration channel mention, something like this. And if you have any problem with it, you can run and help auto underscore group, and it will show you the instructions to run the command. Okay, so after doing this, just send and it will show you Spruce is thinking, and you can see that something happening in the group channel. So let's check it out. Okay, group 1 is sorted and channel role is creating. After created, it will give the role to the players of that group, like this. Storm Ninja got the role, and it will create something like this. And remember, no one should send any kind of message in the confirm channel. Okay, so else it will not work. And like if you are organizing BGMI tournament of 150 slots, 25 slot per group, and then it will create a 5 group like this of 25 teams. Okay, each group. So this is it. Hope it can help you, and if you have any problem with it, you can join our Discord support server. I can help you about it. Okay, so you can see that, check this channel here. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.